Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this Honor 7S. And this is a budget oriented device from Honor, and this would be selling in India for rupees 6,999. That's just 7,000 rupees, and this will be sold via Flipkart. I'll leave the link in the YouTube description area. And guys, this is not a very powerful handset, and I would say this is targeted for people who are actually moving from featured phones to smartphones, hence that budget oriented pricing. And the specs, as you can see, let's look at the specs. It says a 13.8 inch full view display screen. That means it's approximately about 5.45 inch in the 18:9 aspect ratio. It says 13 megapixel rear facing and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. We'll test the camera and see. Generally Honor puts decent camera, so we'll test that later. And it also has a dedicated micro SD card slot and a 3020 milliamp hour battery. So let's quickly open this up and have a look. So we have the handset itself over here wrapped in this plastic, and we have some as you can see, a pretty compact phone. So let's see, what else do we get. We get a warranty card, Huawei, and also a screen guard is provided in the box. As you can see, quick start guide and other stuff. I'll just keep this to the side. And we have the charger, and the charger is a Huawei branded charger, and guys, it's a standard charger that you are getting. So it outputs at 2 amps, and that should be good enough for this small phone, and a micro USB cable. So that's what you get in the box. And here tucked away is the SIM ejector tool. So let me keep these things to the side and let's look at the handset itself. So here is the handset itself, and let me give you a physical overview first. On the top, actually, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and here we have the volume rockers and power on off button. Gives a good tactile feel considering the budget oriented price. Micro USB port at the bottom, and the main microphone over here. And this is the SIM tray. Let's have a look at the SIM tray. And if you pop that, dedicated micro SD card slot and 2 nano SIMs that you can put on this one. So that's what it is. And it's not a dual camera setup, guys. It's a 13 megapixel, and this is the flash. So let me quickly try to boot this up. And by the time it actually boots up and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Honor 7S is having a 5.45 inch HD plus screen in the 18:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the Mediatek MT6739 chipset, which is a quad core processor clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. It has 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it has a 13 megapixel rear facing camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera, and the battery is a 3020 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device, and another thing to note is that this phone does not have that fingerprint scanner, so you actually have to rely on face unlocking, and I've set it. So let's test that. You have to press this power button, and as you can see, it unlocks. So it takes about a second to unlock via the face unlocking option. If we go over here, I'm surprised to see that they have included an auto brightness sensor. I thought it won't be included considering the price point of this device, but they have done that. But one thing to note is that the Mediatek processor that they have used is a fairly old one. They should have gone with the new Mediatek Helio P22 chipset, in my frank opinion. But anyways, that's what it is. And if we go over here to system, and about the phone, as you can see, it's having out of that 2 GB of RAM, and out of the box it's coming with Android version 8.1. So that's actually a good thing. Oreo out of the box and 8.1, and it's the typical UI that you will notice with the Honor phones. That's the same. That's known as EMUI. So that's what you're going to get even with this one. The screen quality, considering the price point, is actually good. I won't complain a lot, and nice to see that the brightness sensor is there. As you can see, you can click on auto brightness if you want. So that option is there, and it's fairly compact. I would say easily fits in your single hand, so you can use it with a single hand. But yeah, there might be slight sluggishness at times because of the processor that is used. So definitely not for heavy users, I would say, or people who also play a lot of games. This is strictly for a casual user or a first time user who's moving from a feature phone to a smartphone. Now let's also quickly look at the camera and see how is the camera on this one. Let's fire up the camera. And it's taking a while to get this. I'll just hit next and all those things, and we have tap to focus, and it takes about half a second to focus, but once it's focused, as you can see when you tap in, it's taking the pictures actually pretty quickly. Again guys, this is a basic handset, you have to realize that, and we have option of flash, you can force it or not. And if you go over here, basic modes, it even has HDR. Let's also see how is the front facing camera on this one. If I go over here, and as you can see, this is a location. I'll just hit cancel. So it has some beauty modes even in the selfie. I'll just go back, and as you can see, that beauty level filter is there, and it has that auto focusing, but as you can see, there is a slight delay when you take the photos with the front facing camera. Let me do one thing guys, let me actually shoot some sample shots with its camera so that you can have a better idea. So these are some very quick sample shots that I have taken around my office in artificial lighting conditions with this Honor 7S, and here are some of the sample shots taken in outdoor conditions. Yes, it's a rainy and overcast day, so here are some of the sample shots, and here are some very quick sample shots with the front facing camera of this Honor 7S. So guys, that's it for now for this quick unboxing and first look at this Honor 7S. And guys, this will be sold online via Flipkart. So guys, that's it for now for this quick unboxing and first look at this Honor 7S. And if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.